Okay, in today's video in which I answer a commonly asked question about event photography from the internet, I'm going to answer event photography with a 50mm lens. That's the question. Yeah, why not? You can shoot event photography with anything. I have not talked about a 50mm focal length because I do own one, but it's like a very cheap $100 nifty 50, and so I don't tend to use it for event photography. However, I have used manual focus lenses here and there for event photography, which have been a lot of fun. I've used my Pentax SMC, I've used a Canon FD lens, I've used a lot of vintage lenses at 50mm, and I've enjoyed it. I mostly shot with it because I like the challenge of manually focusing, and it created a very different look that had a lot of character. But let's try to answer the question of, can you shoot an event with a 50mm, or does it have a place in your kit? I think absolutely. Is it a necessary lens? No, but most lenses will not be necessary. You can shoot an event with two lenses. I've said that over and over on my channel. You can shoot with a 24-70 and a 70-200, and you could even forego a lens like a 17-40. But I really do like this lens. It does have a place, and not having it could be a challenge. That said, it doesn't mean you can't do it. So back to the 50. I have right here a, what is this, like $2,300 50mm lens. This is the Canon 50 RF mount lens. I have never shot with it. I bought it because I saw it for, I think I paid $1,100 at a thrift store. I confirmed it wasn't stolen. It was too good to be true, and I'm a long-term thinker, so I bought it. I know eventually I'll be able to use it and I can give you guys more information, but I don't need to shoot with a 50 to talk about if you can shoot with one. The answer is, of course, yes. It's a great focal length. It's got that, it doesn't have distortion. It's not wide. It's not telephoto. And some people might find that boring. I find that quite pragmatic in a lot of ways, and I think it would be a fun lens to use. That's it for today. It's not going to be a long one because I don't have a lot of experience shooting events with 50s, but eventually I will. As soon as Canon makes my next camera, I'll be able to shoot with this. All right, guys, I will continue answering questions from the internet in this series. If you guys want more event photography information, resources, I have a resource page on my website. Go to mickmehlman.com. Go to resources, and I put all the videos I shoot that I feel are relevant to event photography, and I give a little bit of info about them so you know which ones are most suited to you, so you don't have to watch a random playlist.